Hi guys, if you've clicked on this video, it's probably because you want to see how to use eggshells to strengthen the bone of your chickens and then increase the egg laying. So let's get started. So first, you need to gather as much eggshells as you can. You need to get a lot as you can. Afterwards, you need to kill all the bacteria and germs on the eggshells by simply pouring hot water on the eggshells. When you pour the hot water on the eggs, you can also cover it for the heat to sustain for about 30 minutes before going to remove it. Alright, so after waiting for about 30 minutes for the eggshells to heat up and all the bacteria and germs to die, you need to dry the shells in the sun. So you simply dry the shells in the sun for the eggshells to dry up. After they've dried, you grind the eggshells into fine powder. And put them in a nice container that is dry. Your container needs to be dry, and if it has a cover, that's very fine. That's it. Your eggshell supplement is ready. So when you are feeding your chickens, you can simply fetch and add to their feed. And if you have layer chickens, here's one thing you can do. You can mash the eggshells using your hand and adding it directly to their feed. But this way, you'd always have to be mashing it. So if you have eggshells powder like this, you simply add it directly to their feed and they'll eat it. That way they'll lay a lot of eggs, and those that aren't laying will also have very strong bones, and you won't be seeing barb legs like this that occasionally occurs due to low calcium in their body. The eggshells provide high amount of calcium for them, and instead of throwing away this valuable product, the eggshells, you can simply add it to your poultry feed, and it's free. So this is free supplement. In this video, we showed how you can also reduce your feed cost drastically, so you might want to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you would like to be seeing updates like this, and also please take some few minutes to click on the like button. It really goes a long way to help us. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.